Hey everybody, this is my 2019 Kawasaki Versys 1000 LTSE Plus for sale on Kijiji and Autotrader. I bought the bike new in the summer of 2020 and I've put about 36,000 kilometers on it. The bike is an inline 4 making 120 horsepower, which is fine for a bike this size. Really comfortable for long rides, but also good in the curves. It's actually got a built-in lean angle sensor so you can see how far you're leaning the bike over. You can see that it comes with this integrated 28-liter luggage. It's the same key as for the ignition, and you just pop this little tab up and then the bags come off easily and leave the bike looking pretty clean. I've put a couple of small modifications onto the bike, including a radiator guard, so I'll walk you around to that. That's right there. And also these SW Motech pegs, which are great for comfort as well as in case you need to stand up going over bumps. This is the bike with the full electronics package, so it's got ride modes, traction control, 6-axis IMU, and I'll just bring you around to the odometer. Shows 36,067 kilometers. Then I'll just get it started for you. And that's it. Hopefully you're interested. You can reach out to me on either Kijiji or Autotrader. And thanks again for watching.